How to add a blog on Wix Studio. So if you want to add a blog on your Wix Studio, what you can do is you can head over right here into your apps, click onto this app market option that we can see right here. And then after that, this redirect us to the Wix app market. Now in here, we can see this search bar. Click on this. And then from in there, just head over and then type in Wix Blog. You can see in here this Wix Blog option. So click on that. And then after you have done that, this will load and then you should be able to add this particular application into your site. Click onto this add to site option and then after that, this will load into a few moments and it should be able to let us add this particular application. As you can see, it's adding the Wix blog to your site, and once it's done, you should be able to create blogs onto your dashboard and publish it to your site. So that's how you add a blog on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.